Well, we made it back up here today. Little slow getting here this morning. We had to do some window shopping. So, window back here. We just happened to have it, so we actually have 3 of those in storage. And we kind of need one now because of that. Somebody broke it. You probably know all about that by now if you're watching this one. That one's probably before this one. So, okay, so what do you got to say about that?
It just happens. Accidents happen. I don't know.
Accidents happen.
We're in the fixing business, so let's fix it.
Okay, okay. So we have this from another place we've been working on. We have some of these windows in storage, and they are made to slide in a frame that's already there. So we don't have that here when we take this out because we're not going to use this frame, but we're going to use it. And I'm going to take all this out, clean it out, and we'll put some flashing around there, and we'll kind of build our own insides, and we'll just go from there, because that's what we have. And it'll be fine. It'll be just fine. It'll seal up and be better than this. This one's leaking around the side pretty bad, so, and it's really leaking air right here.
Yeah. But it started rotting in around it, hasn't it?
Yeah, I pulled a board out from the outside there a minute ago. I pulled the little excavator up here so I can stand on the top of the cab of it and work, and not off of the ladder. So anyway, we're gonna try to get this out of there and cleaned up and see what we have to work with, and I don't know. It may end up this won't work, but I think it will.
We're going to try it anyway.
We're gonna give it a shot, and we can always change it out later. It's what we have today.
That's why we're the meddlers.
Yeah, we're muddled through it.
We'll meddle through it.
Hang around. More exciting adventures. Okay, I'm gonna get some tools.
Okay.
So here's what we've got. Pretty good up here. I'll put a piece of flashing in there. It'll go out into this where we can caulk it. But then down here, this has been dry now, but it's got insulation down in there. I took this trim board off right here. I'd say that's why they put siding up. It was getting bad. Siding's good, so I hate to go that deep right now. So I think we're going to go ahead and try to dry this in to where that insert, window insert will set in here, and we can screw it in and caulk around it. I think it'd be just fine. And that's what we're gonna do anyhow. Try to get by with what we got there.
Pretty good.
That's right on it, isn't it?
Right on it. Right on the money.
See, look right there now. See, that don't come out right, but I don't know what that's what you that does.
That's
though.
good.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we go this way now. I think I want to put that window back in there.
Okay. On that one now. So let me get this one in up there and then we'll come back to that. Okay.
we got this window in here. A little bit unconventional way of putting in a window anymore. They all come with their J channel on them and all that, but this has the flashing tape all the way around it, and it seals in with the J channel out there. I'll step out there and get a look at it. Actually went in there pretty good, sealed good all the way around, got insulation stuffed around it on the inside. So I believe it'll be okay that way. Anyway, that's one down.
Many more to go.
Unexpectedly. Of course, actually we was gonna be doing that right away anyhow. We just hadn't went and bought one for it, so. Anyway, we're gonna get out of here. We'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.